Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today we're gonna be working on my friend's Golf Mark 5 and we're gonna be doing a infinity taillight. So if you like the video, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing. Besides the taillights, of course, this is what I'm starting with. I got a bunch of these red LEDs. I got white ones as well for the reverse light. I got these small yellow ones which I'm gonna use for the indicators, and I am also going to use these LED dimmers right here. The main role of the dimmers is to dim down the LEDs while the taillights are on. You got taillight negative wire and taillight positive wire coming in. Now this circle thing is the adjustment screw which allows me to dim them down. Now when I splice in the brake light wire right here, I give all of the power to the LEDs, which makes them glow much brighter. I'm also going to use a clear acrylic which I'm gonna cover in reflective film and the acrylic mirror. To take apart the taillights, I'm gonna use this metal scraper to break off the glue. However, on the bigger one I can only undo two sides like this. The rest of the way I'm gonna have to cut them open with a tool. Now I'm gonna move on to the part adaptation so they can accommodate all of the LEDs and the acrylic that I'm gonna cut up. Moving on to cutting the acrylic pieces, drilling them for the wiring and applying the reflective film. Now I'm going to assemble all of the acrylic pieces with the LEDs, and there is one thing that I gotta mention. This piece of acrylic with the reflective film in my right hand, the side with the film has to face the acrylic mirror. Also, you don't want to use any glue that evaporates. That's why I'm going to use the hot glue. It's going to be enough to hold the LEDs in place until the final assembly. Moving on to the final assembly. Here's how I wired the dimmer. These two wires are going to be plugged straight into the connector on the car. These two wires on the top are going to be my two grounds, both for the small and the larger taillight on one side. These two wires on the bottom are going to power the taillights for those two pieces, while these two bigger blue wires, which are spliced in, are my brake lights. So when I step on the brakes, all of the power is gonna power up the LEDs both on small and larger taillights. This is how the taillights used to look like. This is how they look now. Camera has some trouble capturing the reverse light and the indicators, just keep that in mind. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing.